Welcome back to my channel Tech Getter Official. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to back up all drivers before formatting your PC so that you can easily restore them after installing a fresh copy of Windows. Before we start, let me quickly explain what we are going to do. Windows stores all installed drivers like Wi-Fi, audio, graphics, Bluetooth, chipset, and many others. Using a built-in Windows command, we can export all these drivers into a folder. This means after formatting your PC, you can reinstall all drivers instantly without internet. So this is basically a lifesaver method before formatting any computer. Now let's start the process. First, you can either connect a USB drive or use any other drive on your PC. In this tutorial, we will use a drive. Now open your drive and create a new folder. You can name it anything, but I'll name it Data. Make sure you remember this folder location, because we'll use it in the next step. Now we need to use a built-in Windows tool. Go to the Start menu, search for CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. This step is important because the command will not work without administrator permission. Now comes the most important step. We will use a tool called Thism. Don't worry, this is not any external software. It is already built into Windows. Now type the following command. dism/online/export-driver/destination \data. Let me briefly explain this command so you understand what it does. DISM is the Windows tool that performs the operation. Online means it will work on your current running Windows installation. Export driver means it will copy all installed drivers from your system. And destination is the location where all drivers will be saved. In my case, my drive is the E drive, and the folder name is Data. If your drive has a different letter like D or F, make sure you change it accordingly in the command. Now press Enter. Windows will now start exporting all drivers. You will see the progress inside the command prompt window. This process may take a few minutes depending on your system. Once the process is completed, you will see a message saying, "The operation completed successfully." Now close the command prompt. Next, go back to your drive and open the Data folder. Inside this folder, you will see multiple folders and files. These contain all your system drivers including Wi-Fi, audio, graphics, Bluetooth, chipset, and more. This means your driver backup has been successfully created, and you can now format your PC anytime without worrying about missing drivers. Now let's say you have formatted your PC and installed a fresh copy of Windows, but your drivers are missing. So now let's restore the drivers from the backup we created earlier. First, log into your system, and you will be able to see your drive. Then right-click on the Start button and open Device Manager. At the top, you will see your computer name. Right-click on it and select Add Drivers. Now click Browse and select the Data folder from your drive. Make sure you enable the option Include Subfolders, because all the drivers are stored inside multiple folders. If you don't enable this option, Windows may not detect all the drivers. Now click Next. Windows will now scan and install all missing drivers automatically. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer. Restarting is important because some drivers may not work properly until the system restarts. After the restart, everything should start working normally again. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Getter Official.